Welcome to our Sustainability Excellence in Manufacturing Awards. My name is Joyce Fassel, and I'm Senior Executive Editor of ProFood World Magazine. And I'm going to be moderating today's presentation. The Sustainability Excellence in Manufacturing Awards have been going on since 2015. And here you'll see an array of our past covers of ProFood World that we do each year on all the award winners. Just wanted to give you an idea. It's usually in our August issue. And I think you'd be able to pick up the copy of the August issue here at the show. So these annual peer-reviewed awards recognize manufacturing plants for their efforts in driving improved performance through sustainability, honoring those companies and individuals that seek to go beyond environmental compliance. Specifically, the awards focus on pollution prevention, enhanced environmental protection and stewardship, as well as compliance assurance. And the winning projects we are honoring today were completed between November 2019 and December 2020. Just wanted to let you know that there is a display honoring our Sustainability Award winners, and that's located in the Showcase of Packaging Innovations. It's located right in this hall in booth 9720, so you can walk down and take a look. And there's also a lot of other interesting displays down there featuring, these are mostly packaging awards from many different organizations. Sorry, my slide jumped here. So if you'd like to enter next year's awards, our submission deadline is March 1st of 2022. And we'll be presenting the Sustainability Excellence in Manufacturing Awards next year at PAC EXPO International, which will be in October in Chicago. So for more information about entering the awards, we have an easy website for you to go to. It's pfwgo.to/SEMA. You can download entry forms, learn how to enter. We have videos, articles, webinars from some of our past winners, so please take a look. So here are our winners. I'm not going to name them all because we're going to have speakers coming up to tell you about all of our award winners. We have B&G Foods, Conagra Brands, Smithfield, and Liffey Meats and Graphic Packaging International. So congratulations, everyone. I'm going to begin with the programs category, and our first place winner in the programs category is B&G Foods. But unfortunately, due to some pandemic restrictions, they were not able to be here today. So I'm going to give you a brief overview of what their project was about. With the goal to minimize its environmental impact, sorry, I keep hitting the button here by mistake. Sorry, everybody. With a goal to minimize its environmental impact, B&G Foods Cincinnati Crisco facility has been on a journey to reduce their waste for the past 10 years. In 2020, the plant implemented several waste reduction projects, including the revision of temperature settings for process operations, installation of an air-cooled air handling unit in place of a water-cooled unit, and implementation of program changes to automate water valve shutoffs. And according to the plant engineer, Karen Hales, these changes resulted in a water reduction usage by 19.5% versus the prior year, and that was despite a volume production increase of 38%. And the project's return on investment was achieved in 4 months. Next up, we have Conagra Brands, who won several awards in the programs categories with entries within their various plants around the country. And that included compressed air, steam and vacuum leaks reduction program, a recycling program, and a water reduction program. In addition, Conagra Brands won a second place award in the projects category on a paper waste reduction. We have Dave Bauman of Conagra Brands here. He's Senior Director of Design Engineering, and he's going to tell us about these projects.
All right, so at Conagra we have 43 factories, and we have a really good sustainability program where they submit entries from all factories every year. We normally get over 200 entries for sustainability awards just at Conagra. And these are some of the winners that were submitted to PMMI and then received the awards. So the first project was Maple Grove, Minnesota. And Maple Grove upgraded a 25-year-old auto splicing device on 2 paper press machines. So in Maple Grove, we make the bags for Orville Redenbacher and Act 2 popcorn. So that's where we convert the film, and then it gets shipped to our factories to actually get formed and put in popcorn, get put into the bags. And so incorporated laser measurement from banner to trigger used at the end of the roll. So that's just a good savings off of big, huge paper rolls. So the idea actually came from plant employees visiting, and $80,000 in total paper savings for $8,000 investment. And here's the team from Maple Grove. Next award, Waterloo, Iowa. Recycling stars and bars is what they called it. So when snack pack pudding cups are made, I think most of you are familiar with snack pack pudding. So there's trim left over. And those trims are, they call them stars and bars. I'll show a picture in the next slide of what it looks like. But it has a metal foil lamination, and it can't be recycled. So working with our Amcor, our materials supplier, they invested in some equipment to be able to recycle this product for us, and then we ship it to them now, and they recycle it. So instead of going to the landfill, it's 40 tons a month or 80,000 pounds a month of stars and bars get shipped and recycled with this new equipment, which is about 10% of the total site's waste generation. So here's the team. You can see the stars and bars there on the right. And so we don't have to bale these anymore or send them to the landfill. All right, got quite a range of products at Conagra. Fenville, Michigan, cherry fresh pack water reduction. So we utilize cherries every year in Fenville, Michigan. And here, reclaim piping. So a truck comes and it's filled with water and cherries. So instead of just sending the water to the drain, we now take that water and use it in the chilled water system. That's 400,000 gallons a year of water from the trucks. And then there are 49 water holding tanks, and through rebuilding and proper maintenance, we were able to rebuild the valves to save 2.1 million gallons a year. And you can see we do all this in 25 days of fresh pack, so it's a pretty fast operation to get all those cherries in and get them processed. And here's the picture of the cherries, a truck dumping and just the pump that then takes that extra water so that we can use it in the process for chilled water. And the last one, Menominee, Wisconsin. That's air, gas, and vacuum repair leak tools. So in Menominee, we do pudding there, as well as all the Swiss Miss hot cocoa. That's largely a dairy facility. And this one's pretty straightforward. It's something that everybody can do. Kind of common sense, but it does fall by the wayside at a lot of factories. So using an acoustic imager from Fluke to be able to detect air, gas, and vacuum leaks. The nice thing about the new Fluke is it basically stores all the data. It makes it easier for you to reference back to where you took the picture. So by taking the picture and documenting it in the Fluke, then it's there and it's recorded, so then you don't have to remember where you were in the factory or where the leak really was. And then here the key is the monthly meetings for tracking and closing, so that you get together and say, okay, how many leaks have you closed? So with that was $17,000, about $17,000 and 153,000 kilowatts per hour of electricity consumption.